everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. My name is Steve and I am a drone pilot, and today I have something for you really cool. Not only cool, but also inexpensive. This is the E88 EVO. It is a drone, a camera drone. There's a camera on the front, camera on the bottom. It's got optical flow, has 150 meter flight range. It flies for 10 minutes on the included battery. It has brushless motors. It comes with prop guards, as you can see, and a remote. It also has a flippy mode. It also has blinky lights on it, so it looks pretty cool if you fly it in low light. You can also fly it with only your phone if you wish, using an app, or you can fly it with only the remote, or you can fly it with both. Now let me tell you the following. I woke up this morning, and usually when I wake up in Canada, in my time zone, that's when I get all the emails from China. You know, all the companies that I work with in China. So Banggood contacted me and they said, Steve, are you going to review this drone soon? They sent it to me a while ago and I'm like, well, eventually. I've got other products I got to review. And they said, no, if you review it now, we have a deal for you. So apparently they have something on November 11th. I don't know why they put it on November 11th, but it's called Global Shopping Festival. And they say if your viewers buy this now, before the end of November, and they use your discount code, I'm reading right off the email because I'm doing this on the fly. They say, if you live in Canada, you can get this for $21.99. Now, I don't know if that's Canadian or US. It says, if you live in the United States, your viewers can get this because of the sale for $19.99. So you can get this drone with the camera and the remote and all the things I just mentioned, brushless motors, optical flow, for $19.99 by using my code below. Is it any good? I don't know. I haven't flown it. So I'm going to take it for a super quick flight now and we're going to go check it out. All right, to fly this, it's really simple. You just power on your remote. Make sure you put batteries in it first. Then you take the drone and there's a power button on top. Hit that. Comes to life. It's got blinky lights all over it. I'm just going to put it down on the ground for a second. Now, in order to connect this remote to this drone, you must move the left joystick up and down like this. Hear that beep, and you'll know it's connected because the blinky light on the top of the drone will stop blinking and go solid blue. Now we're ready to fly. Now, please note the following. Because I'm making this video so fast, because Banggood contacted me, I haven't read the instructions, but these drones are so easy to use. So I'm just looking at the pictures on the front of the remote, and I see one that looks like gyro calibration. So I'm going to take my big yellow finger and press it, see what happens. It blinked. So I must have got it right. So that's a gyro calibration. That just means it tells the drone that it's level on the ground, that it's not sideways and to shoot off that way or anything. So it should work out well. Also on the remote, I'll just tell you quick. Wow, I hit the stop. I powered it on. Hang on. So the buttons are pretty sensitive. Also on the remote, I want to show you over here. I can tell already that these little arrows that are up and down with lines under them, that would be automatic takeoff and automatic landing. All the other arrows would be trim controls. You rarely need trim controls. Never use trim controls outside. Use your trim controls inside if you're in a big room. Also, these antennas up top, they are fake. They're just something to get in your way, so I'm just going to leave them as they are. All right, so let's try these little one-button takeoffs. Press that. Is it going to go up? There we go. Well, it works. Now, it is windy in my backyard, so it's going to drift around, but it's doing a good job with the optical flow. I dropped the controller again. I keep dropping this thing. All right, so let's fly it here. We can spin it around, go past me. It doesn't have obstacle avoidance or anything, so you can literally crash it into yourself or somebody else. Anyway, I don't know why the lights are blinking up front. Usually that's a sign that it's low on batteries, or maybe that's its feature design. So let me just try a few things while we're in the backyard here. First thing I want to test out is the speed. So I noticed already, right out of the box, it doesn't fly super fast forward. That's full speed, and I'll bring it back full speed. There we go. That's it. So it does have a speed control on here. There's 2 beeps, so it means it should be faster. See how many speeds there are. So that's a faster speed. I will say for most people, put the prop guards on when you get this if you're new to flying. Oh, there's 3 speeds. Oh, this is going to be fun. This means it really boogies. The reason you have different speeds is depending on how windy it is outside. If it's really windy, put it on the fastest speed. There we go. Now you have full control in wind. Yeah, that's good. Other things to tell you about the quad is there is a headless mode on here for true beginners. Okay, next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the prop guards because they add a bit of weight. Make sure I don't snap the arms off because it is cold out here. Okay, no more prop guards on this baby, so we're going to fly without prop guards. Second thing is this is a very fast video. I just don't have a lot of time to make this video, so I'm going to jump right into the app next and show you what the camera looks like, the 2 cameras. I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. So basically you just power on your drone again. comes to life. There we go. Make sure the arms are all folded correctly. Power on your remote. There we are. And move your left joystick up and down. Now we're connected. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, you have the option of just flying with your phone and the drone. You have more features if you do that, but you have less control of the drone. I've used it before on other drones and it's not very good, but you can do it if you want. Or you can fly with the remote and the drone, as I just did, or the phone, the remote, and the drone, which I'm about to do. So all you have to do is take your phone and connect to the Wi-Fi shooting out of the drone. Look for the one that says Flow Wi-Fi 848 DC. Connect on that one. Should connect. Looks like we're connecting, and there we go. Then the next thing you do is just open the app. So the app for this is called KYUFO. I'm gonna tap it, and I'm just gonna turn my phone, oh no, it's upside down. I'll fix that in a second. Look at, I'm holding the remote backwards. I'm gonna hit start, and there we go. I see what the drone sees, which is down here. So if I get in front of it down here, you'll see how good the camera is. It's recording right now, and there I am. You can see sunlight shining through everything. The sun's behind me. Let me point this camera in a different direction. There we go. I gotta squish. Oh, I'm gonna sit all the way down here. Yeah, somebody really needs to rake my leaves here. Okay, so let me just use this hand and point up here. So I'll tell you what everything does. Right there, that's the bunny ears. If I hit that, it should take a photo. So let me try it. I'll put the bunny ears on. Normally it will take a photo, or it only works when you just use the phone and the drone and not the remote, because it's, oh, it took a picture. There we go. It took a while. Then you have the zoom, which is zoomed in. Oh my God, that looks horrifically horrific. Yeah, so that's the zoom. Get rid of that. Next thing over here, if you're flying, I could draw a whole bunch of squigglies on the side. You see my drone over here, over there. You see it's going around that. If I was flying right now, the drone would do that and smash into everything in my backyard. We don't want that. Next, they have, you can buy those little goggles off of Amazon, where you take your phone, you put it in the goggles and put it in front of your face, and basically it would make everything 3D, as you see there. Then there's the reverse and all this other stuff, calibration, and that's it. Then over on the right, you have 30%, 60, 100, that's your speeds, and then take a photo. There we go. And shoot a video. So now I'm going to record video. The video is going to record on my phone. Now I know the camera underneath is 480p, and the one in the front, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's 480p or something higher. But let me show you the bottom camera. So on my remote, I'm going to switch to the bottom camera. It should go a weird color. Doesn't that look just really, really bad? That's the leaves on the bottom. So this bottom camera is 480p, and I'm going to tilt this and face it towards my head. So coming up, watch, this is going to be scary. There we go. There's my head. That's the bottom camera. So if you fly up high and look down at the earth, it might not look too bad, but for right now, it doesn't look that great. And let me just show you what this looks like in flight. So I hit up, and here we go. So now it's recording video as it's flying. Now, obviously there's no gimbal on here. There's no stabilization. So as it bounces around in the wind, that's what you get. Let me just bring it down so I'm more in the video. That's it. So for your 19 bucks, this is what you're getting. I'll take this up higher. Let me just put it on speed 3. There's 3, because it's pretty windy. You see the tree moving? I'm going to take it up, and we'll see what videos looks like looking at the top of my house. Some people buy these cheap drones to check out the roof, so here we go. I'm going up. Way up there. I'll try not to lose it. Wow, as I say that, I crashed into my roof almost, but there we go. Let's go way up there. The wind is going to want to take it. It's up there. So there you go. Let's bring it down. There we go. There's looking across over at my neighbor's house. Watch out for the tree. Ah! And I took the prop guards off too. Well, that was a bad time to take the prop guards off. Let's go get this guy. How you doing, buddy? You okay? Can I get you something? Can I call somebody? Hang on. It's all right. All right. All right. I'll just walk in and take off. Going up. There we go. So there's not much more I can show you on this little baby. It does flippies as well, but you have to have a full battery, and I don't think my battery's full. Let's see. I'll try it. There's a little button in the front. If I could just locate it here. There it is. Flippy mode. There we go. I flipped. See it? Flip again to the right. There. All right. So that's pretty cool. And of course, you could just hit this little land button and land it in your hand. As soon as it hits something, it stops. So that's it. All right, this is a really short video. So what I want to show you next is what you get in the box when you buy this, and then come back to me. Here we have the E88 EVO, and it comes in this carry pouch. Opening the carry pouch, you'll find your drone, your remote, and accessories. When unfolded, the drone looks like this. Checking out the drone's battery, you'll see it's a 1-cell 1800 milliamp hour battery. The battery is charged by plugging a USB cable into this port, and a USB cable is provided. Prop guards are included, which is perfect for indoor flights. The prop guards simply snap on as seen here, and when they're on correctly, they won't come off. Spare props and a micro Phillips screwdriver are also included. The EVO with prop guards and battery is only 124 grams. A remote is provided, and the buttons on the remote are easily identifiable so you know what the buttons do. A tray opens up so you can place your cell phone in it. The remote is powered by 3 AA batteries, not included. A user manual is provided, but it has limited information. As well, a manual for the app is also provided, but it as well has limited information. All right. So what can I say? If this is inexpensive, as I mentioned earlier, you're gonna have to check the links below, then it's definitely a buy because you can have a lot of fun with this. And more importantly, if you're thinking of getting gifts for Christmas, you know, stocking stuffers that are very inexpensive that people can have fun with on Christmas Day, this would be a good addition because you could have a lot of fun with it indoors. Normally I would show you all sorts of video indoors, outdoors, doing all sorts of things, but I honestly don't have the time because I'm leaving soon and my ride is coming any second now, so I gotta go. I'm just making this video so I can get it out and let you know of the awesome deal. All right, guys, if you have any questions on this product, just post your questions below and I'll get back to you. And like I said, the links are below. It's on Banggood. You have to use my discount code, which is below. I don't know if there's any discount for people in Europe. I'll ask Banggood and see if I can find out. But for now, I say thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I'll catch you in a future video and watch me fly this away right now out of my hand. And it should take off. See you later, baby.